there'll be, less beefy hands showing it than yours, but I think we'll be able to. I don't know if we
I can't see the knife. What's he doing?
Welcome back to Sharpening Supplies. Tom here, and today we're being joined by Brandon from Workshop. Welcome, Brandon.
Thanks for having me.
Excellent. And so we've got a few different Workshop products out here today, and we're going to talk about some of Brandon's favorites. So Workshop, they've got benchtop sharpeners, you've got some field sharpeners, and you've got some kitchen sharpeners.
Yep.
So out of, say, the kitchen sharpeners, which one would be your favorite?
For me, the E2 model is going to be my favorite. It's a 20-degree sharpener. Uses flexible discs, ceramic skew wheel for hone, quick, easy. Can do my kitchen shears as well. It's a little different technology than what we're used to. We're using the flexible abrasive discs versus the belts with a lot of our systems. A couple of things I really like about it: maintenance. Use the ceramic hone every time I pull a knife out of the drawer, and then when I'm ready to use it, I've got the power cord stored inside, so it's one small, quick unit. Stores in most kitchen drawers.
Nice.
So,
excellent. What about for like a field sharpener?
Field sharpener, I'm going to go with the guided field sharpener. Small package, less than a half a pound, 5-stage, coarse, fine diamond, 3-stage ceramic, so fine, coarse, and fishhook. And then we've got our small serration ceramic as well. And then we've got the leather strop on the back, already loaded with compound, ready to go. Everything on this is angle guided, so we're giving you the angles to make it nice, quick, and easy. One of the things I really like about this is the diamond plates are magnetic and reversible. 3 and a 4 blade broadhead wrench inside. And when you pack this, flip these plates inside out so that diamond's not rubbing against anything in your pack.
Excellent. Right.
So
everything you need,
product.
yeah, when you're heading out there in the field. Perfect.
Absolutely.
Cool. And then for benchtop sharpeners, which one's your favorite?
So for me, my everyday sharpener is going to be the Kin Onion with the blade grinding attachment. Just the versatility of angles. I use it for more than knives. I use my lawnmower blades. I do axes, hatchets with it. I also do small grinding jobs in the garage when I'm doing projects. So it's quick, it's easy, it's versatile, and I get the results I'm looking for every time.
Excellent. So that's like the Workshop Ken Onion plus the blade grinding attachment.
Right, the elite version.
Yeah,
yes.
excellent. And so the Workshop Ken Onion edition, that's probably one of our most popular sharpeners. So why do you think that's such a popular sharpener for so many people?
I think really for this particular model, it is the versatility of angle. You're basically able to do kitchen knives down to 15 degrees. You're able to do axes and hatchets. Not just knives, but we're able to do physical tools as well. So the overall versatility, the power, the ability to lock your motor, have it consistently running, and you can do multiple knives very, very quickly.
Excellent.
And you're also getting a shave sharp edge.
Most people probably looking at it will think it's just like a knife sharpener. What would you say are some of its more underutilized features?
I think a lot of people probably don't use either the accessories. Like say, there's a lot of people who have just purchased the Kin Onion edition, use that as a great option. The blade grinding attachment basically takes that versatility that we have in the Kin Onion and then takes it to a whole nother level. I think for me, the way I would best describe it is the blade grinding attachment, or the elite version here, is like the perfect marriage of control of manual with the speed of a belt. So it's something that I can do very, very quickly, very adjustable, different flexes on the belts based on positioning, and then I have a higher and lower angle adjustment as well. So.
Excellent. Cool. So if people have got one of these already, you think it will be like a really big improvement to add the blade grinding attachment for versatility?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Yeah. Cool. And then if I've just gotten myself one of these, has gotten either the Ken Onion or the elite version with blade grinding attachment, what do you think are some common mistakes that people are likely to make that we can prevent them from doing?
I would say a lot of people, I think, are concerned about the tip, sharpening, being able to physically sharpen the tip. A big key for this, especially if you're just using the blade grinding or the Kin Onion original, really is to think about the sharpening process. So as you're looking at the physical belt, you're going to try to keep your actual blade at perpendicular to that belt. And as long as you're doing that, going all the way through the tip, you're going to get a nice clean finish the entire length of the blade.
Excellent. And then if they're just starting out with the blade grinding attachment?
So really for me, what I've found over my sharpening journey with the blade grinding attachment is what I like to do is kind of set my limits with my hips. So as I'm bringing my blade up, I'm coming to where I'm going to stop, and then I'm coming back, and then I start. So I already have muscle memory of where my sharpening process is going to go, and then I can do it one way, flip it over, do it the opposite direction.
Right.
So really set my limits, letting my body know what the process I want to do, and then continuing with that.
Cool. So
It's great results.
elbows in.
Elbows
nice and
in,
locked,
right.
and then, yeah.
I don't want to dip, and that's, you'll be able to see that in the blade. So nice and level, and to use your hips to make those turns really makes it a lot better sharpening experience and results. So.
Right. I'm going to make a bit of an assumption here. I think you're a guy who likes his pocket knives. So what are you carrying with you today?
Today, I've got a Benchmade Rift in the military exclusive handle. And then I have a Benchmade Bug Out limited edition Work Sharp Bug Out as well.
Excellent. Okay, cool. And so lots of people who like their EDC knives, and I think like the Precision Adjust over there is a really good choice for folks. If someone has like a good collection of nice knives,
Yes.
why would the Precision Adjust be a good choice for keeping an edge on those?
I think really a lot of where the Precision Adjust really gets into the meat of sharpening and makes it easy. So the ability for the clamp to be able to hold, especially a lot of different styles of knives, the spine is becoming more of a design feature. So they're not just as square off as like we would have with a Bug Out. So the V-block makes that really easy to be able to clamp it, be secure, and not have to reclamp between different sides. And then the ability to switch out your abrasives just by twisting.
Excellent.
So that makes a huge difference in the whole process. And the other part that I really like about this is the push button. So when I'm ready to switch my knife, I can do one side to the other without really having to disassemble any part of the sharpener.
Excellent.
So quick, easy, and repeatable.
Brilliant. All right. Well, thank you very much, Brandon. So there is an awful lot of workshop stuff that you can go and find at sharpeningsupplies.com. If you're interested in seeing just how fast the workshop Ken Onion edition is, then check out this video where I race Brett. See who wins.